Hey guys, Jonathan Feist with TabTimes. With a recent update to add enhanced support for your Android tablet and the promise to supply up to 50% data reduction on your mobile traffic, we're happy to have you join us for a quick look at Opera Max. I recently took Opera Max and my Nexus 9 on a little road trip, but we'll talk about that later. Let's start with what Opera Max can do for you. Install this free app from the Google Play Store to immediately reduce data usage on your Android tablet. Opera Max works by compressing web elements like photos and video on their servers, which then delivers to your device in the reduced file sizes, saving you that precious data. This is an all-in-one data management app, really the only of its kind, that can save you data not only in the browser, but on your favorite social and video streaming apps as well. With proven data savings of about 50% on YouTube videos, and even more on Netflix, you can enjoy twice as many videos for the same amount of data. Video compression is thanks to Opera's advanced video optimization technology, called Rocket Optimizer, which is a cloud-based solution from Opera's Skyfire unit. With up to 50% reduced data requirements, you'll enjoy shorter video start times and fewer stalls to buffer. Look for these data savings on Instagram and Vine as well. Not to mention a long list of popular games that includes titles like Subway Surfers, Plants vs. Zombies 2, My Talking Tom and Angela, and Candy Crushed Soda and Jelly Sagas. Opera Max works on most unencrypted data requested by your tablet. You'll begin to see data savings across most of your tablet usage. Open up the app to see a daily breakdown on a per-app basis of all data consumed by mobile and Wi-Fi connection. Of course, you'll see your total usage and savings for each day, month, and for your all-time stats as well. Perhaps one of the best features of Opera Max is the data tracking provided for all apps, regardless any savings, and the ability to block any app from using data in the background. That's right, even if you opt out of the data savings of Opera Max, this is still a powerful tool to control your data usage. You may not be concerned about your data consumption, but we all can use a little battery boost now and then. Blocking these data-hungry apps is a solid start. Opera Max is available in 63 languages and runs on tablets with Android 4.0 and up. So, based on recent stats, that means Opera Max empowers 98% of Android users to manage and save data today. So how well does it work? We had pretty solid results with Opera Max on our road trip. We learned that a lot of our data consumption was of the encrypted type. With about 1.6 gigabytes of data consumed, we saved just over 60 megabytes thanks to Opera Max. Before you think little of the app, keep in mind that we had a 65% data savings from the AA app for Android. Yes, that's the Android Authority app. Big thing to note here is that 1.46 gigabytes of the 1.6 gigabytes was downloading episodes of the Android Authority podcast to listen to on the road. There was a few app updates through the Google Play Store, and we took a few photos that uploaded to Google Photos. Mostly just the screenshots used for the written companion to this video. All of these things were encrypted or otherwise secured connections that Opera Max could not download on our behalf for compression before delivering to our tablet. Ignoring just these three apps, our data traffic was then 142 megabytes. With Opera Max saving us 62.8 megabytes, that means we had a 44% data savings. This was particularly handy in our international travel. The only time Opera Max caused us any grief was a one-time bit of confusion with the Google Play Store. My app download sat idle until I dove into the settings and excluded the Play Store from the Opera Max data savings. So, what should you be aware of using this service? Summing up the things we've discussed, Opera Max is, in one regard, a VPN service. This means it can see all of your network traffic. It collects your data, compresses the files, and delivers it to you to save you money. We think this is a reasonable trade-off, but we'll certainly urge you to research deeper if you are uncomfortable at all. Aside from that, be sure to watch closely when you first start using Opera Max. It is capable of some impressive data savings, but only on supported services. Just hit the browser when needed or stick to the apps and services that Opera Max can save you data, and you'll be in good shape. Opera Max is a free app in the Google Play Store. Be sure to hit our written companion to get all of the links. And then hit opera.com/tablet to see all of the great apps and services they have not only for your Android tablet, but for your iPad as well. Or you can hit opera.com/computer to see what they have for your Windows tablet. Thanks again for joining me. We hope you get the chance to try out Opera Max, and let us know in the comments what kind of data savings you're experiencing. If you're hanging out for a few minutes, be sure to check out one of our tablet reviews, particularly the Mi Pad 2, which is an optimal tablet for Opera Max savings. Be sure to give us those thumbs up so that we know you like what we're up to, and hit that subscribe button to see what we have coming next. Take care, all. We'll see you next time.